The table here shows some values of a function. On which intervals is the function's average rate of change positive? So in this one here, we're looking at three different possibilities, right? And so the first thing that we got to remember is that to find the average rate of change, it's very similar to this formula for slope in this case. So we're going from 0 to 3 in this situation. So I'm going to call this 0.1 and 0.2 for C here. So what that tells me is I'm going to do 65 minus 50 over 3 minus 0. Simplifies to 15 over 3. So in this one here, I could simplify it all the way, but I'm only asked, is the average rate of change positive? In this case here, yes, it is positive. So I can move on to the next one. The next one, looking from 1 to 2. So I'm going to call this our first point and our second point. So in this one, we get 40 minus 75 over 2 minus 1. So in this one, we get negative 35 over 1, and that simplifies to negative 35, but that is a negative number, so it's not a positive rate of change. And lastly, from 1 to 3 here, our first point and our second point. So we're going to go 65 to 75 over 3 minus 1. We get negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5, but also simplifies to a negative number. So our only positive average rate of change is C.